Pickleball equipment market projected to hit $736 million by 2034, Lifetime Group Holdings LTH and Skechers SKX companies to look out for. Here is what is driving the growth. The pickleball equipment market was valued at $457 million in double in less than a decade, projecting a brighter future for the sport. Paddles alone are projected to hit $381 million by 2034, up from $229 million last year. The demand for paddles has been well fed by the latest brand of paddles hitting the market. And keep them on your radar. Pickleball hasn't just taken the US by storm in recent years. It's created an entirely new mini-industry boom within the sports equipment market. The hybrid sport, which combines elements of tennis and table tennis, maintained its status as America's fastest three, according to the Sports and Fitness Industry Association SSFIA top-line participation report. The statistics are staggering, with pickleball participation increasing 85.7% year-over-year and 158.6% over 3 years. The Americans, or 14% of the population, who have played the sport at least once in the last year. That's according to the 2023 App Pickleball Participation Report, conducted by YouGov on behalf of the Association of Pickleball Professionals App. Between August 2021 to 8.5 million individuals played pickleball 8 times or more in that same period. Notably, 45% of the 36.5 million total players expressed their intention to play pickleball more often in the next 6 months. Plus, the sport is especially popular among those under 24, had the fastest growth rate from 2020 to 2021. This suggests a sustained and potentially growing interest in pickleball, and indeed, industry forecasts project a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 10.19% for the global pickleball market over the next $36 billion by 2028. So, how can investors tap into this trend? Here's a look at 2 top stocks set to benefit from the pickleball revolution. Pickleball Stock 1, Lifetime Group Holdings LTH. For those looking to invest in the pickleball phenomenon, worth considering. Lifetime owns a network of over 160 athletic country clubs across the US and Canada, and currently boasts the largest network of pickleball courts in the country. The company operates 530 permanent pickleball courts, with plans to add 7 and 1,000 by the end of 2024. Earlier this month, Lifetime announced the groundbreaking of its first ground-up pickleball location in Minnesota. When Lifetime announced its financial results for the fiscal second quarter ended June 30, there were several key highlights. Revenue $61.7 million compared to the same period in 2022. Net income surged to $17.0 million, reversing a net loss of $2.3 million in the second quarter of 2022. Adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization 5% to $136.0 million from $63.1 million. Looking ahead, Lifetime expects full-year net income to range between $75–83 million for 2023, and the pickleball giant hiked its adjusted EBITDA to a range of $510–500. Fell short of expectations, but the post-event pullback in Lifetime shares could present a buying opportunity, particularly since analysts seem to like the prospects for LTH going forward. The consensus rating among 10 analysts tracking the stock is a moderate buy, and the average 12-month price target of 43.5% from current levels. Pickleball Stock 2, Skechers SKX. Another promising investment option is Skechers SKX, a company that has not only embraced pickleball, but is now the sport's official sponsor. The shoe company's Hypercourt offering, which received a positive response from the pickleball community. Now, Skechers is the official footwear sponsor of every major tour and organization in North America, including USA Pickleball and the Carvana Professional Pickleball Association PPA Tour, as well as the all tournaments. In its most recent earnings report, Skechers reported record quarterly sales of $2.01 billion, a year-over-year increase of 7.7%, and diluted earnings per share of 0.98, up 69% from the year-ago period, which called for earnings of just 0.52 per share. Further, the company posted substantial 29.1% growth in direct-to-consumer sales. Out of the 9 analysts tracking SKX, 6 call it a strong buy and 1 deems it a moderate buy, the stock has a consensus rating of strong buy and an average 12-month price target of 60, implying expected upside of more than 22% from current levels. Pickleball as a long-term investment. Pickleball's remarkable growth projections, coupled with its broad appeal and investment opportunity. Both LTH and SKX are buy-rated stocks with strong footholds in the pickleball market, making them top choices for investors looking to add some exposure to the sport to their portfolios. Pickleball is already the fastest growing sport in the world. Their market, that is, paddles, balls, nets, and apparel, is expected to reach $736 million by 2034, according to Research and Markets. The pickleball equipment market was valued at $457 million in 2024, and that market is a brighter future for the sport. Paddles alone are projected to hit $381 million by 2034, up from $229 million last year. The demand for paddles, nearly 400 types of paddles have received approval from USA Pickleball, has been well fed by enhancing players' experience. Which is the best pickleball company? The best pickleball brands on the market today are Jolla, Selkirk, CRBN, and Gearbox. All offer a premium paddles, a wide variety of shapes, paddle lengths, and grip lengths. Who is the highest? How much a top-ranked pickleball star earns for world number 1 Ben Johns? His annual earnings shot up for $2.5 million in 2021. As said in an interview with CNBC. In fact, 17-year-old, Anna Lee Waters is set to topple Johns to become the high, according to her agent Kelly Wolfe. Technological advancements in paddle manufacturing have driven this growth. Modern paddles incorporate materials such as carbon fiber, fiberglass, graphite, and polymer cores to enhance durability, control, and power. They offer variance. Customization options have also surged in demand, enabling players to personalize paddle designs, grip sizes, weight distribution, and surface textures. Manufacturers are expanding product lines to cater to different skill levels, offering paddles with varied shapes and advanced competitors, the report noted. This sheer growth has been fueled by pickleball's accessibility and ease of learning, attracting people of all age groups and skill levels to the sport. As the number of participants grows, both at the amateur and professional level, it drives the demand for, contributing to significant market growth. Over the last few years, pickleball has become the favorite sport for people of all ages due to its lower physical intensity and social nature, helping older adults draw health benefits from playing the sport. According to the research, while a notable portion consists of younger participants. The game's growing popularity aligns with the demographic shift toward an aging population, which is boosting interest in low-impact recreational activities. Many players are drawn to pickleball for its inclusivity, allowing individuals. Additionally, adaptive programs have been introduced to accommodate players with disabilities, further broadening the sport's reach, the report stated. Of course, as with any investment, it's essential to conduct thorough research, consider your financial goals and risk tolerance, and consult with a financial. While pickleball's current trajectory is impressive, diversification remains a prudent strategy for long-term financial success. Pickleball equipment in India. With demand high, pickleball courts are now seeing rents soaring even to Rs 1,800 an hour. Experts believe the rental for setting up the courts. Not just the infrastructure required, pickleball equipment costs are minimal too. Who is the manufacturer of pickleball courts in India? In India, several companies specialize in manufacturing and constructing pickleball courts, including Sundic Sport. Mart also lists various manufacturers and construction services.